Oh, by the way, hello. Sorry, I won't be looking at the camera that much. I have to see where I'm going. Is it okay? I think it's okay. Just finished a night crack repair. It was for an iPhone 5C. Successful. I'm now going to go and board the train, Caltrain, to go back. Cause you see, I don't live in Redwood City. I live in West San Jose. So, and I don't drive at the moment. So, I have to take public transportation. And I am taking Caltrain to the light rail to the bus. And then I did it the other way when I came here. I have the bus pass from my college, so that was definitely helpful. I didn't, because it's like $2 for whatever, $2 or something. Let's see, is this the right 2 cents? Yeah, this is the right one right here. Scan my Clipper card. Scan my Clipper card. There we go. And for those of you who don't know what a Clipper card is, it's basically a card that you scan, and you basically load a balance and you scan the card instead of whatever it's called. Instead of the other way around, just paying cash or using a credit card. That's more convenient. It's like using NFC. I think it actually does use NFC. Wait, is this? Oh, these are all blue. Dang it. I don't want to have to wait in the sun. Or do I have to? Maybe I do have to. Wonder when the next train is coming. I have absolutely no clue, but I might have to. I could do that. See, here's what I'm thinking. I don't do well in heat, so here, I'll show you. So here, this building right here is the CVS Pharmacy in Redwood City, downtown Redwood City. At least I don't know if it's downtown Redwood City. I don't know if you consider this downtown Redwood City. But anyways, this is a CVS, and it provides some shade, but the actual seats, they don't provide much shade here. So I have to wait. I'm gonna wait behind here. That way I can stay out of the sun, and then I can board the not light rail. What am I going by? Caltrain. And hopefully it doesn't take too long to come. But let's see. I didn't check what time, so it was supposed to come. So I'm assuming it's gonna take a little longer than normal. Yeah. Okay. I do recycling, so yeah. Okay. Let's see you when the train arrives. I totally skipped over the train ride. Oh, I'm sorry. I said I was coming back when I said I was gonna return when the train arrived, but yeah, about that. I skipped it. I just got off the Caltrain. I'm transferring to the light rail. It's gonna take me to the bus, and then the bus is gonna take me home. So, might come back later, but otherwise this is the end. Thank you.